Yeah, Spurtiva. So I hope all you people are doing practice. Okay. Yeah, on previous class on Saturday. Sorry, I could not take class yesterday. Next week I'll plan actually due to some urgent my personal work. I couldn't take it yesterday. Okay. On Saturday, like we have seen drill through again. Like what exactly drill through does, like a summary report or summary visualizations if you have in one page. If you wanted to see the detailed uh, related transactions data, then you will use drill through. Then we have discussed about the action items, like how to navigate one page to another. And we discussed about the group by clause in transformation. Okay. Yeah. 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 Any other things? Please maintain the consistency. We have, like, only 10 days time. So I need to, like, we need to cover many concepts. I mean, we'll spend much time in DAX, like, I will see. We need to see bookmarks. Where is our content? I need to take one more class for even SQL, like, stored procedures creation. I need to teach. So, a lot of things are there. Okay. Power BI various charts. I thought of sharing mm, this I did not share with you, right? This document. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, madam.
Yeah, I'm going to share. Actually, I need to cover uh, uh, other visualizations also, so that I'm just waiting for that. And I want to check our content once, where it is. And I need to show even storage modes, what is important, what is like, live connection. Practically, we'll see that, because that is for any database the same thing. I need to show even that. Yeah, let me start, because I need to close our session bit early today. Early in the sense our time only, but I'm not going to take today extra time. Okay, introduction, get data, Power Query Editor, we are discussing. Group by done, keep rows, replace, remove columns, changing data types. It is already done. This is done. Okay. So the rest of the topics I am just marking with like this color. Append needs to be covered, and I need to cover merge. Okay, enter data we need to show, and pivot and non-pivot is very important. These things needs to be covered in a Power Query Editor. Hierarchies we have seen, filters we have seen, bookmarks we have to see. Data modeling we have discussed, and it's in the charts, few charts has been done. Power BI service is not yet started. Dashboards, DAX. Okay, yeah, we can cover. Okay, yeah. Today we are going to discuss bookmarks. It's a very, very important concept. Okay, so is anyone has any doubts like in a practice? If you have any things, just let me know.
Ma'am, actually, suddenly I lost all report. Some changes I made it in report. Then I want to revert back whatever changes I made. I mean, back 6 steps I have to uh, return, but it was not happen. Suddenly I lost all data. Then I closed, and whatever data I saved previously, that data only I got.
Okay.
Is there any,
No.
you said to hierarchy, we can remove the whatever changes we made, particular chart or something. But if I want to go back whatever steps I
In
did,
a transformation editor, you are saying, huh?
no, here only, in front only.
Okay. No, no, transformation steps you are looking. What exactly you are looking?
Suppose initially you was created overview, KPI, then detail and items. Then now it is a list box, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So suppose I want to revert whatever changes I made. Uh, how can I?
These all are Microsoft products, Control Z only.
No, it was not control it also I used.
No, you need to save it. If you are not saving, then no. Actually, if
Mm.
anything, it is sometimes it gives like a like in a settings if you have it gives recovered file. That time you should say yes. You should not press no. Sometimes that file will be recovered. Okay, so
Yes.
that time you should press as in settings if you have recent recover files. So when you open, then it will ask you, do you want me to you do you want to see view recovered files? At that time you have to press yes. If you press like a no, I don't want to view recovered file means that option will be there to remove the recovered files. If you press no, that file will be removed. These all are Microsoft products, no? Like a Word or Excel, whatever the things you do, the same operation, even this is also. If you observe, see menus like file, save as, all options are same because this is purely Microsoft product. Whatever the options in a Word you do, whatever the options you will see in a Excel, the same things you can see here even in file option. Open, save as, these all things will see even in Word or Excel. But extra get data, these things are there. But these all are same similar menus, same functionality.
Okay.
Okay? Yeah.
Okay.
And any other questions? Please
Ma'am,
maintain the consistency. I'm looking participants count is reducing. I cannot repeat the class. The problem is I don't have the time. Okay, please try to understand. We'll have class next Sunday. Okay, I'm going to take 2 hours or 2.5 hours like that. Saturday, Sunday, Monday.
Ma'am,
Next coming Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Okay. Okay. Today I'm going to discuss about the bookmarks. Okay. What do you mean by bookmark? So I don't want to give much explanation theoretically, but I just for your understanding, I just wanted to tell what is bookmark. Okay. Generally, bookmark is just you are here. You are taking one snapshot. I mean, example. Like మీరు ఏదైనా ఒక బుక్ చదువుతున్నారు అనుకోండి, ఒక నావెల్, యు ఆర్ రీడింగ్ వన్ నావెల్. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ అరౌండ్ 1000 pages నావెల్. మీరు ఒక 15 pages చదివారు పర్ డే. దెన్ యూ వాంట్ టు మార్క్ దట్ పేజ్. అప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాం మనం? ఒక పెన్సిల్ పెట్టడము, లేకపోతే ఆ పేపర్ ని ఫోల్డ్ చేయడము. అదర్వైజ్ యూ విల్ హ్యావ్ ఇన్ బుక్స్ సంథింగ్ ట్యాగ్ ఇస్తాడు కదా, రెడ్ కలర్ ఒక థ్రెడ్ లాంటిది ఇస్తాడు. ఆ థ్రెడ్‌ని అక్కడ పెట్టడము చేస్తాము. ఎందుకు? We don't want to like again refer all the pages. Where I stopped reading, just I wanted to mark over there. Okay, just by folding the page or something you are keeping. In the same way, bookmarks means for that particular state you want to capture that state. So here in Power BI also I have done something action over there. I want to capture that state. Okay. Uh, that it gives to the user, user interaction is very easy. You can capture that particular state and you can navigate to that bookmark. Okay. How it is going to work, we'll see. Let me take fresh page. Okay, I'm taking I wanted to take here a table visualization, but instead of doing again, because I wanted to here I don't want to spend much time. So what I am doing, from this page you can copy paste the visualizations one page to another page. I'm just copying and I am just pasting this page too, because this is another page and this one is another page. Otherwise I need to take again this visualization. I need to drag and drop the required fields. Instead of that I am using the previous page visualization. Okay, till here you people are clear, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I am just giving this page name as bookmarks. What I wanted to do here, I want to see here what type of, okay, any detailed data or overview I can see here, right? That we have seen already in a page navigation. Okay. Here if I click here, user, if he is clicking here, he want to see year wise sales, whatever it is there in a overview page. He wants to see here. It is not a page navigation. Page navigation means just, backward, and action items you can give. This is also one type of action, but how you are going to manage, we'll see. Okay. If I'm in the same page, it does actually. The same, like whatever we have seen in action item, the same thing we can see, but through bookmarks. I want to get here sales report. So what I will do, just I am going insert and just get a shape or button, anything you can take as per your choice. Okay. I am just taking plain on rectangle. No, this one I am taking rounded rectangle. In this filling, if I don't want plain means, then okay, you can go and change here. Is it? No. Properties, shape, style. Here I don't want this color at all. Okay. If I don't want, you can stop it. And I want to write something, text. This is like a sales. Did not saved or what? Font color is in white. That is the reason
Font color
our
is also
text
in it.
is our text is not appearing over there. Okay. Sales I have taken one thing, and I am taking like a detailed detail is there. This is landing page. We don't have any other thing. Huh? Okay, we'll take it. This items one page. Copy, and I'm taking as item. We have to provide to the user interactive, like, if he is clicking on this particular button, he has to get sales data, whatever it is there in a sales. But if he is clicking here, he has to get, like, items related data. Example, that is just my requirement. I'll fill this one and coming to the text, like I am giving like items. Okay, that is what I am going to do. See here. So if I click here, he has to get sales related information. If user is clicking here, in this report itself, he has to get some items related information. Okay, what I can do here, if I click here, it has to go to the sales page. Okay, what action I will give for this? I will give here for this selection. Then I am just doing here. Yeah. You just click on view. Okay, go to selections. Okay, actually in these selections, whatever visuals are there, all visuals you can see in a selections. Okay, you have taken, this is one shape and this is another shape. If you select here, this is another shape and this is one table. Whatever visuals are there, that visuals it is showing. Okay, for this why it is coming like a shape and all, I did not change any name of that visual. If I change the name of the visual, it will give that particular name. What I can do here, whenever I did this sales, I should not see this item related. If I click this one, this is only it has to show. If I click this one, this has to show. That time it has to hide. So that I wanted to see here. In this place, if I am clicking here sales related information only I need to see here. If I click here, items related information only I need to see. That time I don't want to see this table at all. Okay, what I am going to do, that is like with bookmark we can do those things. So when user is clicking on this particular button, this table should not appear. That time it has to hide. When I am clicking here items, it has to show items related data. That time I don't want to show sales related data. How we are going to achieve that? With bookmarks I will show. This is the first shape. Then what I will do, I'll give here, for our understanding, I will rename the shape name. What is the name here? Style. Okay. The text. We already has given. Let me take it. Name. Here I did not. 1 second. Yeah. Here what I am going to do. If I am clicking here, it should get this one. So when I am checking, that means, sorry, when I am clicking this items button, that time it has to hide sales and year. For that, what I will do, I am just clicking here. If I am clicking this particular button, that time this is show and hide. When I am clicking here, the other two buttons has to, these visuals has to hide. I am hiding for time being. Okay, this sales button will appear, hide, and table also hide. That time what it has to show here, what it has to show, like whatever I am taking here, that visual has to show. So I want to show here in a overview whatever visual is there. Sorry, items related, right? Items related, whatever the visual is there, I want to show this visual when I am clicking on items button. Control C. Don't get confused. I will repeat the steps how to do. Just carefully observe what I am doing. Okay. Here, if I am clicking here, this particular I am selecting here means, then it has to show this particular visual. So I will record this bookmark, like click on view, you will get bookmarks. Add a bookmark and just give the bookmark name. Double click, just give bookmark name, items. Okay. This particular state, that means whenever I am clicking, this is getting only this particular visual or page or whatever you want. Okay, normally we'll give these things for to get a visuals. Here it is not a page navigation, it is just, if I am clicking that particular related data only, it has to show. The rest of the thing it has to hide. Okay, so I have given one bookmark and this is the bookmark. For this, what I am giving action should be on, then go here. I am not doing any page mark here, bookmark I am just giving. Okay, what is my bookmark name? Bookmark name is items. Then here, earlier it is only none is there. When I created items, if you just click here, you can see items. Okay, then close it. This is one bookmark we already created. Okay, so 1 second. Okay, then I want to, if I am clicking this, if I am clicking on this button, this data only it will show. Then rest of the time what it has to show, if I am clicking on sales, then what it has to, if I am clicking sales, this items has to hide and table also should be hide. It should be hide. Then this visual also has to hide that time, right? Sum of quantity, whatever it is there, this visual also has to hide. And that time what it has to get our data like in an overview, I will try to get this visual here. Copy, paste. Hide, I am not hiding anything, and we will see how to hide once again. Let me first design the page. Okay, then I will show what I am trying to tell. Let me do it. This is in a different size. I'm just taking small visuals. I'm just doing this one. I need to select it. Why it is not getting selected? Mm. Okay, I don't want this much. I'm just, doing here. Okay, till here that is fine for me. And I wanted to drag this particular pie chart here. And I want to give this data here. This is my page actually. Okay, this type of data. If they are clicking, they have to see this sales data. If they are clicking these items, they have to see particular this visual. Otherwise, it has to show this one. Okay, that is my requirement. So I have this visual like sales related information, and this is items related information. This is normal transactional data. This is one chart I have taken here. Pie chart I have taken here. Table visualization I have taken. Okay, these all are two shapes, two buttons I have taken, sales and items. Here how I am going to record these things, but user will think like if I am clicking on sales, only sales data I am getting. If I am clicking on items this chart only I am getting, and here interactions are normal only. Okay, if I am clicking here that particular data only, it has to show that interactions we can give it. Okay, if you don't want any interactions, edit interaction, you can keep like particular visualization. If you don't want, you can keep it as a none. Okay, how I am going to do this, we'll see. Then click on selections. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 visualizations are there. Go to the selections. Okay, here sum of quantity by year, this is one visualization, and this is another visualization. It will get selected if you click on any visualization, that particular related visual, you can select it. It is going to select. In that way you can see which visual it is going to select. Okay, if my requirement is, if I am clicking on this one, this is sales and this sales related transaction only it has to show. That time items related information I don't want to see. Okay, that is my requirement. I got requirement like that. So what I will do, if I am clicking on this sales button, okay, sales related, this information only it has to show. So I'm just clicking this button. When once you just click on that button, that particular icon only, that particular visual only will get selected. That time I don't want to see like some of like these items I don't want to see at all. Okay, I am just hiding that particular related data. Okay, I am just giving to the user. If I am clicking this one, it is getting. If I am clicking this one, that items related information it is giving. That type of interaction I want to provide to the user. That is my motto, like doing this. If any doubts is there, I am going to take it at last, not at this moment. Okay. Um, when I am just selecting this one, I am hiding. If you don't want to see even details also, you can hide. But I want this visual and this visual when I click this particular button. This particular state of information I am creating as a bookmark. Okay. This is my bookmark. Earlier only I have created this bookmark, right? Okay, if you want, I can delete and create it again. Select this particular. First, we need to select that particular visual and then go to add bookmark. You just give the bookmark name. Before doing a bookmark name, I'm just giving bookmark name as sales. Okay. And when I am creating this bookmark, what is the state? It has to hide the items related visual. That is my intention. It should not show my items related information. Okay. That information, this particular state, I want to capture in my bookmark. So I am updating this bookmark. Update this particular bookmark. Okay. And next, when I am clicking this particular button, what it has to do, when I am selecting this particular button, so my sales data, it should not show. I will hide that. Okay. That time I will show my items related data. Unhide this one. Okay. And capture this particular state as another bookmark. Items. Okay. This particular bookmark I am assigning to this particular shape. Go to action, bookmark. Now I am assigning sales to this bookmark. Sorry, items is not there. Huh? Where is items bookmark? Still it is not coming. Items bookmark, update here. Okay. update. Okay. Excuse me, I'm sorry. Click here, go to the actions. Our bookmark name, it has to come here. It has come now. Items. If I'm clicking on sales, it has to show sales related data. If I am clicking on items related data, it has to show. So how it is working, we'll see. If I am clicking here, items only it has to show. That time sales has been hidden. Okay, it is working perfect. And we have taken that particular state as a bookmark. That is fine. Then coming to the sales, what it has to do, coming to the sales, what it has to do, it has to hide items, it has to show sales related information. This particular thing I need to update in our sales bookmark. Okay, then let us check the functionality, how it is working. If I am clicking on this particular items, it has to show that. If I am clicking on this particular thing, it has to show this. Okay, then close all these things. Then we'll check how it is working. Our buttons, because in already we have given in a buttons again, action should be on. For this action I did not give a action should be on. Then come, my bookmark is sales, and come to this. I think I have given earlier, but let me check it again. Okay, action should be on. Coming to this items, yes, everything is settled fine now. Then I'm just saving. And how it is showing, we'll see. Sales is there. Now it is sales is showing. If I am clicking on items, it has to show items. That time sales should not show. Only items related information it has to show. And if I click here, sales related information only it has to show. If I click here, items related information only has to show. Okay. So if you wanted to look and feel, if you want to give in a such a way, you can take this is as complete your thing, because anyway we are hiding. Okay. If I am clicking here, items, if I am clicking here sales, it has to show my sales related. I'm giving the same thing, but anyway that visual is going to hide right when I am clicking. That is the reason I am taking complete that place. If I am clicking here items has to show. If I am clicking here, sales has to show. Then sales related information, if I am clicking this particular 2021, that interaction data only it will show in the down. If I am taking 2022 related, because I am highlighting here, this is visual interaction. Visual interaction we already know, but now we are playing with bookmarks. So here we can play multiple visuals. Here user will think, if I am clicking here, that is getting, if I am clicking here, I am getting another thing. But actually what bookmarks are playing, here we have taken two buttons, not only two, as per requirement. In my report, one of my report, I have used 11 buttons. So that type of interaction is required in that report. So that is client requirement. So what I have achieved that interaction with the help of the bookmarks. Every visual, it has the name that you can see in selections only. Which name, for that particular, if you click here, for each and every visual, whatever we are taking, that it will give that particular visual name. Okay, you can change the name also, even tab order also you can change it how you want. If I click this particular visual, what it is doing, this particular shape, okay, for easy understanding, I am just giving the name also, shape of the visual, shape name also. Simply shape means this shape will confuse, no? That is the reason here also I am giving like a sales visual or a sales. Okay, for this particular table, for another button, I am just taking name, double click, just change the name. I'm just taking this name, items. Okay, and here instead of giving table, I'm just saying this is something transactions or something data, transactional data or detailed data, something. Which visual you want to show, which visual you want to hide, that is our wish. If I am clicking this particular button, what I am doing, if I don't want to see even table as well, that time, okay, I can hide even this visual as well. If I click here, I don't want to see even details, example, okay, I am hiding that one. That time what I will do, I will update this state, I will update as a bookmark. See how I am going to do. If I am clicking, I just need only sales data. Okay, that time event details also I don't want. So then this state of action I need to capture, because earlier my state of action, when I am clicking this sales button, I am getting I'm able to see even details data. I don't want now. I want to update this bookmark at this state. So then go, what is our sales bookmark? Just click right click here, like click update this bookmark, it will update. Okay, if you are getting confused, this is sales and this sales items are visual names. If you want to, both are confusing for you means, you can tell sales BM bookmark. Okay, example for your understanding, I just updated this bookmark. Okay, if I am clicking items, it will show as usual. That time even this information also I am looking, but that time if I am clicking, even this detailed data also I don't want. Okay, and then what I can do in this selection, even I am hiding these details. Okay, I don't want to show even that detailed information here. Okay, I will take another button. Okay, this is giving in this place completely, and here I am taking another button like a details kind of. Okay, control V I am doing. But in real environment, it is very, very helpful. Bookmarks are very important. Okay, items, what I am doing, for this particular shape, I want to change the name. I want to give like a details or transactional data, something I want to give here. Details. Okay. I just changed the name. What I want to create for this also as bookmark. If I click here, it has to hide sales and items related information. It has to show only detailed level information. So then what I need to do, again I am creating bookmark from the beginning. See, I have taken one shape and this name I have given. Then just select that particular visual, then go to the selections. Selection is it is like shape name. Now this is one shape. Okay, details is one shape. For this also items it is coming, it is also items is coming because I did not change this name. I am changing, this is button items. This is okay, details button. I'm just giving some name for identification, for our identification, because we already used that table name as details. Both will confuse, no? That is the reason I have taken another name. Any name you can take, relevant name. If I select this particular thing, what it has to be done, it has to like hide this visual, and it has to hide our items visual, and what exactly it has to show, our transactional data it has to show. This is my requirement. If I click here, details only it has to show, and that time details data also I will increase this particular visual size, because anyway nothing is there. One place we are placing three visuals, but we are, which one it has to show, which one it has to hide, we are showing, we are keeping those all things in a selections. We are marking that particular state as a bookmark. Okay, if you understood the concept, it is very easy. Okay, I have taken like this. That time I am hiding these two. This is show, this is show or hide, that's it. Okay, and this particular state I want to add as a bookmark. Add bookmark name as transactional data or details bookmark, something I can give. Bookmark name anything you can give. Okay, details BM bookmark example I am taking. Okay, so then next step, once you created a bookmark, then again select this particular button or a shape, then go to action, then assign that bookmark to that particular button. Then go here in under action, you are not supposed to take any page navigation or some other. Just select the bookmark, and whatever bookmark you have created, then assign that bookmark to that particular button. Okay, now I have three buttons. For all three buttons I have assigned bookmarks. Then how this interaction will see, if user is control click, if user is clicking on sales, he has to see sales related. If he is clicking on items, he can see items related information. If he is clicking on details level information. So user will think, like if I am clicking here, that particular thing is coming here, but not like that. That particular state we are recording as a bookmark, and we are with bookmark facility, we are able to rest of the visuals we are hiding, and whatever we want, we are just getting that information. Okay, now it is the time for questions. Tell me now, it's a very very important concept. User will interact with our report, so as per his choice. Though I have this particular report, like in this particular report, whatever I want, like I have taken only 3 visuals here. Maybe in your live report, 10 visuals will be there. So that time, whatever the visuals you want to see, based on that particular shape, you can show those visuals. Rest of the visuals you will hide, and you will, that state of action you are creating as a bookmark, and after that you are assigning that bookmark to the button. These are the steps. Now tell me your questions.
Madam, have you ever seen Tableau or ClickView? The bookmarks in those?
There also actions are there.
It is there, but there how it will be means when we in the slicer we will select, for example,
See,
here.
Tableau, sorry, I cannot take Tableau question here because this is
No,
Power
no,
BI.
I'm not saying to answer Tableau question. How it is means the user can select certain parameters. Then he will bookmark accordingly as per the user requirement. That bookmarks will be there. Here is little bit different. That's what I am saying.
No, parameters are different.
Yeah.
Bookmarks are different. Parameters,
No, after selection of those parameters, we can bookmark. See, when any given point of time, when we click that bookmark with the same parameters again, the refresh data we will able to get in that.
no. That is not the thing. Actually, parameters are different. Example, if you create any stored procedure, okay,
Okay.
you are giving some parameters, like one time you are giving like year wise data, you have created a one stored procedure. So
Right.
like if you are giving parameter 2011, then that parameter will execute only 2011 data only, it retrieves. Then if you pass the parameter value as 2018, so instead of 2011 data, it fetches the data from the DB for 2018 data. Okay, that is parameter, means you are giving a choice to the user, like to pass some values to to get the data. But bookmarks are different. Bookmarks are, this is this state of uh, that particular state.
I got.
You are
Okay, I got.
capturing, that is like a snapshot. You are capturing that snapshot, and you are recording that snapshot, and you are marking, and you are assigning that that particular snapshot to the one button.
Okay,
Bookmarks are different, parameters are different.
I got your point. Okay.
And filters, slicers are different. Filter means you are filter out the data. Here I am not filtering any data. I am just capturing that particular state. Example, if I am clicking here, what is this particular state? It has to show only sales related chart. So I captured this particular state in one bookmark. That bookmark I am assigning to this button.
Okay, got it.
Okay, this is for user interaction. User will feel if I am clicking this, I am getting this. But this functionality we are achieving through bookmarks only.
Okay. Thank you.
I did not build newly or something, but I have different visualizations, but I am giving to the user like a feeling. If I am clicking here, I am getting this. If I am clicking here, I am getting this. But this functionality we are able to achieve through bookmarks.
Okay.
Bookmarks are just one snapshot. In that particular position I am taking, capturing that snapshot, that state of action, I am just capturing into one bookmark, that I am assigning to one button, and with action I am able to retrieve that snapshot here. That's it.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, So is there any questions? It is very important concept, bookmarks. In your, practically whenever you are working, client will say, if I am clicking this one, I need to get this. If I click this one, I need to get this. He does not want to go to the other pages. But when we publish, he will ask, if I click this one, I should get the sales data. If I am clicking one button, I should get detailed data. If I am clicking this one, I need to get that particular information. So that time, example, if he is asking here in a landing page, if he is clicking here, he has to see landing page here. Example, page navigation means you are going to navigate to this page, but navigation is different and bookmarks are different. Bookmarks means that is state of action. Navigation means it is moving from one page to another page. If user is asking, after completion of this, I need to go to the landing page means, then again we'll insert that icon and page navigation will do. Like home icon, something I'll place. If I click here, then it has to go to the landing page means, then I will take something, this icon, that page navigation we have seen in our previous class. For this I will give page navigation. But here I am not doing any navigation. Here I am just recording snapshots and capturing that snapshot, and I am giving to the user to feel like if he is clicking, he is going there. That's it. Now this time I am giving navigation. Okay, it has to go landing page. That's it. So that time, if he is clicking on detail, he will get detail. If he is clicking items, it will show items. Clicking means control click, not single click mark. Okay. If he is press and hold the control key and click. Then if you click control, this one, it will go to your navigation page. Navigation is different from bookmarks. Navigation is page to page, only you can navigate. But here, within the same page, you are capturing different snapshots and you are assigning that snapshot to the action buttons. Here, no need to take, I have taken rounded rectangle. You can go with any of your shape, how you want. Okay, please let me know. 1 second, I have some question. Yeah, Ajma, can we see all the visuals in the report before clicking any button? Yeah, you can do that. But if you wanted to do that, Ajma, you can do even that also. But I have taken this complete visual and the in the same thing. That time, if you want to see like all the visuals without this thing means, you need to keep these all visuals in a size, like small size. You need to accommodate all visuals in the same page. So her request is, she wants to see all the visuals in the same page. If anyone, no one is, nothing is clicking means, she wants to see all the visuals in the same page. According to her request, what I am doing that time, like how we are designing our report, that is depends on. Then go for selections. That time you can keep another button like a clear all something. Even
Yes,
that also you can take it.
yes, yes, yes.
Uh,
That would be easier.
yeah, if you that time clear all, you can take another button. Okay, you don't want to go for all these. Okay, clear all, you want to take another button. These all are, we will do based on our requirement. Okay, you don't want to select, you want to clear all something. Okay, that time I am taking, like, I'm bit lazy, like again I need to create this thing. No, I'm copy pasting this button. Next Saturday assignment is, you have to create a report with the navigations and with bookmarks. So just prepare that assignment for next Saturday. Okay, here I am just taking, like, clear all as per her requirement. Like, here I don't want to, no, clear all button I want to give, clear all. If I am clicking this one, it should not take any selections. Okay, that is requirement. So that time, what I need to do, selections, I need to unhide all. Okay, because that time, you need to, like, this one, because I have taken complete entire size, that time you need to do it like this. Or, okay, and details also he wants. I want to show like this. Okay, now her requirement is, if I am clicking this one, this is shape, no, shape, sales. Okay, copy pasted, no, it is giving like a sales. I want like a clear all. Double click, just change like a clear kind of, I am giving clear. Okay, this is a shape. If I am doing this button, what it has to do, that time it should not hide anything, it has to show everything. Okay, this particular state, okay, this particular state we need to record as a bookmark. Go to the bookmarks. Okay, add another bookmark and click here. I am giving your bookmark name as uh, clear all. Please give the bookmark name. Example, if you have 150 bookmarks, for which bookmark, for what purpose you have clear, you will forget. Clear all is a bookmark. BM I am giving, like, okay. For then that time, if I am clicking here, everything has to show. I am assigning this bookmark to that button. Click on action, then go to bookmarks, then bookmark 4. Okay, why it is saying bookmark 4?
You can't update the clear all, madam.
Actually, I just before that only maybe it has come here.
Yes.
Mm. Okay, clear all bookmark. Okay, I have assigned that bookmark here. Then we will see how it is working. Okay, let me
Can you
click
show
on.
this clear all bookmark once, please?
I am just
Ma'am,
showing
can you
that
show
only. Okay, sales, then
just
items, then why I am getting items bookmark, it is not taking properly. We need to update the bookmark information. If I am clicking on details, it is giving details. If I am clicking on items, it is showing items as well as table also. I don't want like that. Okay, sales means only sales it is giving, that is good. Okay, if I am doing clear all, it has to show all the things. Okay, yeah, items, if I am clicking on items, it has to show only items related, right? That time even table also showing. So we'll see how it is working. In a selection, okay, when I am clicking on items, then what it has to show? It has to show only items related. It has to show that time it has to hide details information. So hide this one. Okay. Then update your bookmark. Update bookmark. Okay. Now we'll see. Sales, sales related information. Items, items related information. Details. Oh,
Ma'am, you updated for details BM. You should
oh, yeah.
update for items.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay. Wrongly I have updated, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, I'm sorry for that. Okay, items means if I'm clicking on item, then it has to show only items related. The rest of details it has to hide. So this I need to update at items bookmark. But be careful while updating. So if I'm like, if how I did, if you do that, no, functionality will go wrong. Okay, nothing will happen. We'll check it, but still functionality will go wrong. Click on details. Details bookmark we will see now. Details, it is giving wrong thing. Details, if I click on details, this button, uh, then what it has to hide? Items has to hide. Items only, no, this is not items, huh? No, this one it has to hide. It has to hide this one, and it has to show details. Okay, this is my details. Now I am updating this bookmark. I have updated wrongly actually. Okay, now we'll see. I'll click on sales. I'll click on items. I'll click on details. We'll click on clear all. Okay, is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
can play with the bookmarks how we want actually. We can play with this. The interaction, nothing I am doing here, nothing I am not writing any code or something. So that particular state I am capturing, and that state of like snapshot I am creating as a bookmark, and that bookmark I am assigning to one button as an action. That's it. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, madam.
Yeah, still if you have any doubts, let me know fastly, because I need to close the session as early as possible today. Okay. Yeah. Who is this person? MON. MON is a person name. Please change your names, ma. Class recordings, please don't expect at this moment. Like, I need to work on those. I need to upload. Bit busy with my other deliverables. I will do it. I will communicate when I am uploading. You please daily attend the class. Okay. So whenever I have uploaded, definitely I'm going to communicate that. Don't worry about it.
For how many days those will be available or recordings after uploading?
Within a fraction of second, you can see if I upload.
No, I mean to say, it will be there for 1 month or certain time period.
Oh, that I need to check with the management. What is the availability time they are giving, for 1 year or 30 days, or those things.
Okay.
I'm not sure. I'll communicate that.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, Ramadevi Garu, what is your doubt? I cannot repeat bookmarks again, but almost I have spent 1.5 hour time. What exactly if your doubt means, then I can explain it, Ramadevi Garu.
No, ma'am. Actually, due to some issues, I got disconnected from the class, ma'am. Just now I joined again. That's why I asked, ma'am.
No, sorry, I cannot, I cannot explain it, because I can tell what exactly these things, then I cannot repeat entire class, ma. Sorry. Okay, so you please take something any shapes or buttons or images, whatever it is, you have to capture that particular state of the report as a snapshot, and you need to, which visual needs to be hidden, which visual needs to be show, those things you will see under selection. Just see here selections, whatever the visuals are there for all those, you can have the names. But for our clarification, no need to get confusion. For that, I am giving for all these as names. Here I am getting, this is as a image, I am getting as a image means anyone will confuse. So that time, I can give as a home button kind of.
Ma'am, capturing the snapshot in the sense what it is, ma'am. So how to do that?
I'm sorry.
Oh, ma'am, just now you said no, so we need to capture the snapshot what we want to show. So what
That's
mean?
what we discussed from 1.5 hour class as a bookmark, ma. Whatever this the state of action we are capturing in the bookmark.
Ma'am, can you please send the notes of this bookmarks if you have? At
Bookmarks,
some
I don't
time.
have any notes. That simply bookmark means that is a snapshot. We are capturing particular state. That's what in theoretical explanation means. That only we can see.
Okay.
But these steps, whatever we are doing, these steps, we need to follow these steps. How we are following, we are taking steps means fresh bookmarks I wanted to show in a separate page. That is the reason I have taken another page. Then I have taken few visuals I want to show as example. So here I have taken like a sales data, items and detailed data. But in your office or in your requirement, maybe some other visuals will be there. Here I have taken 4 buttons. This I have taken as a shapes like a rounded corners, rectangles. Maybe you can take some other buttons, other shapes as well. So for these things, what exactly that particular state, if I am clicking here, I want to show only sales related visual. If I am clicking on items related button, I want to show only items related information. If I am clicking on details related button, it has to show details related, information. If I am clicking on clear all, it has to clear all, it has to come to the original state. So these type of, snapshots I have captured, and I have given snapshot names as a bookmark names, and that names I have assigned as an action to the respective buttons.
Okay. Ma'am, one more
Notes means
doubt, ma'am.
only steps I can give, but I cannot give any notes for this.
Yeah, steps are fine. Ma'am, one more question.
Yes,
So
again.
here, all of this we have kept in one page, like this bar chart, pie chart, and all. Can we do it same bookmark in the other page? Suppose this pie chart is in items. Can we do it?
No, for what is your purpose from there? What do you want to, how you can do that? I did not get your question. What exactly you want to navigate to other page?
Yes, ma'am. Suppose in items, if I click on items, I want to see this pie chart in the other page that we have.
In that navigation you can do, but bookmark is what exactly that particular state, how you can capture that bookmark, within report page only you can do that bookmark, not with the other pages. Other pages means you do the navigation.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Other pages means, you can use drill through functionality. Drill through is like a summary and detailed level of data. Navigation means you can navigate, uh, if you have different pages, you can navigate from one page to another page. Bookmark is just a state of, like, it is a snapshot you are capturing within that page, and you are whatever you have captured, that captured state you are, uh, making a note, or you are creating as a bookmark that you are assigning to one particular button.
Okay, ma'am. Got it. Thank you.
Okay, bookmarks has separate functionality. Here it is not doing any navigation or a something. Here in a user, it is providing to the user, feel. If he is clicking here, he is getting something. But how we are achieving that? Through bookmarks we are achieving.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is not a navigation. This is not a drill through. This is not a, just to, from here, if I want to click here, it is not a cross tab or a cross tab functionality, or it is just a state of action. That's it. Within that page, you are
Okay.
hiding few things and you are showing something. For our understanding, I don't want to recreate all these visuals. That is the reason I just copy pasted from previous pages. That's it. Okay. Yeah, please do the practice. I hope we have spent enough time. Uh, Home icon setup, Gautam, I can't repeat. Yesterday only I have said, ma. You please recollect, try to practice this home icon. What is there in that? This is we have downloaded from internet. And for this navigation I have done. In action, navigation I have done. Page navigation I have selected. I am just going to that page. That's it. Home icon setup, nothing is there. We have downloaded that particular icon and we have assigned that. Okay, just do the practice. I think you did not follow yesterday class, or might be you did not practiced. If you are not practicing, you are asking the questions means, sorry, I cannot take it because we have the time limitation.
Madam, is it possible to change the dimensions of the chart?
No, I'm sorry.
Is it possible to change the dimension of these charts dynamically?
Dimension. What is that? I did not get
For
your question.
example, in your bookmark, initially this bar chart was big, and we were hiding them. Then the pie chart, it was big. We have hidden them. Instead of that one, initially it is small. Can you dynamically make it big?
You want to increase the size of the
Right. Is it
how
possible?
you can do that? How you can do that?
Means in Excel it is possible, no?
In Excel bookmarks are there?
Sorry?
In Excel bookmark is there?
Bookmark may not be there when we are making the dashboard.
In Excel bookmark is there, but you can navigate to that place. In Excel, Word, everywhere, like, you have bookmarks. Like with the go to command, you will go to that bookmark. But whatever you are asking question, I did not I did not get your question at all.
No, this is
With
not related to the bookmark question. This is related to particular chart, bar chart. Presently, for example, I can say height is 5 centimeters, width is 10 centimeters. I want to make it a small, 2 centimeters and 5 centimeters dynamically.
That time you can create like a small visual, and you can create big visual, and with a bookmark you can hide that one and you can show this one with a click event.
Okay, got it. Right.
You can do that. You can do that, ma.
Okay. Thank you.
You can do that. See, requirement is how we want, but bookmarks is like you are capturing that particular state, but user does not know, like you did hide it and you have showed this one, but user will feel if you are clicking one time, if I am clicking, I am getting small. One time if I am clicking, I am getting like a increasing size kind of. But backend we are doing with bookmark.
Then there will be a problem in the size of this file, no? When we take lot of these images, that one, the size may increase.
The size may increase, but if it is required means will do, right? Yeah, sure. That is based on requirement as well, right?
Okay.
Normally, ideal way of doing if you have the things, you can do it that in a separate page. In a one page, ideally, 10 visuals are there means that is okay. Performance wise, no issues. But more than 10 visuals means better you can create that in a taking another page.
Sure. Thanks, madam.
Okay. Okay. So please do the practice for bookmarks. Actually, I just thought of covering one more transformation, and no, I cannot take it now. Just do this practice. Then we'll see tomorrow. Append and merge group by already it has been covered, right? I can show when we are getting a data from like any DB, what is the direct and live connection difference? I want to show that. So how it goes, we'll see tomorrow's class. So if you don't have any questions, please do the practice. Whatever it has been covered, do the practice. Take more examples and you just do the practice so that it would be easy for you. Like, when you are you are saying like you are keeping your experience like 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years, that would be easy for you if you cook your own data, and if you are trying to present that data for user interactive mode, then that would be easy, you can market yourself. Excuse me, you are in a class, ma. You please mute yourself. Okay. So I need to tell even whatever I am using right now in my project, I can tell those tips actually. So once I completed my content. Okay. Tooltips
Okay, ma'am.
also, like normally custom tooltips also I wanted to tell. If possible, tomorrow we'll see. This is tooltip. It is already whatever it is there, it is coming. But I can give custom tooltip as well. Okay, we'll see that if possible tomorrow or next classes. Okay, please maintain the consistency and do the practice. So I'm going to stop the class now. Then we'll have tomorrow. Okay, yeah, thank you, Spurti.
Thank you.
Thank you,
madam.
ma'am. Spurti.
Yeah, Spurti.
Thank you, ma'am. Purti home.
Spurti.
Thank you, ma'am. Put home.